Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the world's most unique, luxurious, and jaw-droppingly beautiful machines ever built. If you're into the kind of vehicles that stop traffic, spark conversations, and redefine what's possible on four wheels, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed and have that bell on because what we're talking about today is not your average ride, not even close. Imagine the grace, craftsmanship, and exclusivity of a Rolls-Royce. Now imagine that turned into a full-sized motorhome. Yes, that's exactly what we're diving into today, the brand new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality that merges ultra-luxury with mobility in a way the world has never seen before. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is arguably the boldest move the brand has made in its modern history. Known for its stately sedans like the Phantom and Ghost, or the ultra-luxury SUV Cullinan, Rolls-Royce has long represented the pinnacle of road-going refinement. But now, they've taken a massive leap, blending the spirit of freedom that comes with van life and the elegance of British hand-built prestige. Let's get this out of the way early. This is not a camper van for weekend getaways. This is not something you park at a KOA campground or squeeze into a Walmart parking lot. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a palace on wheels, designed for a very specific clientele who demand mobility without sacrificing even one thread of comfort, status, or privacy. So what does this rolling mansion actually look like? From the outside, it's unmistakably Rolls-Royce. It carries that unmistakable stance, tall, commanding, and quietly authoritative. The signature Pantheon grille is front and center, flanked by the latest iteration of laser-cut headlights. And yes, the spirit of ecstasy still rises proudly at the hood, even if this hood is several feet higher than what we're used to. The exterior design is surprisingly aerodynamic for a vehicle of this size. Smooth lines, subtle chrome detailing, and a two-tone paint finish with a mirror-like gloss. It doesn't scream luxury, it whispers it confidently. The dimensions are massive. Stretching over 32 feet long and nearly 9 feet wide, this motorhome makes the average luxury RV look like a budget trailer. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. The interior is unlike anything that's ever hit the road. Rolls-Royce collaborated with top interior designers, architects, and even yacht builders to create a space that feels more like a private suite at a six-star hotel than a moving vehicle. There are heated marble floors. Let that sink in. Real marble, engineered with a microclimate control system to keep your feet at the perfect temperature no matter where you're parked. The cabinetry is handcrafted from sustainable black walnut, polished to a mirror finish. The upholstery, custom-dyed leather, naturally, but Rolls-Royce went a step further, sourcing hides from a single free-range ranch in the Scottish Highlands to ensure consistency in grain and tone. That level of detail is unheard of, even in luxury homebuilding. Lighting plays a big role too. The ceiling features a fiber-optic starlight display, customizable by app or voice command. You can sleep under a replica of the Paris night sky, or watch a meteor shower play out while parked in the desert. There's also a full skylight roof that can be dimmed, tinted, or fully opened to bring in natural air and sunlight. The living space includes a full-sized couch that converts into a king-size bed at the push of a button. There's a 65-inch OLED screen that retracts into the wall when not in use, a built-in Bang & Olufsen sound system tuned specifically to the acoustic properties of the cabin, and even a mini wine cellar with climate control. Now the kitchen. This isn't your microwave and hot plate situation. This is a chef's kitchen, with induction cooktops, a steam oven, sub-zero fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine imported from Italy. Every drawer and cabinet glides open silently and closes with a soft sigh, no clanging, no slamming. Every inch is tailored to be tactile, intuitive, and deeply satisfying to use. The bathroom. It rivals most luxury hotel suites. There's a rainfall shower, a smart mirror that doubles as a touchscreen control panel, heated towel racks, and a Japanese smart toilet with more features than most smartphones. Of course, the bedroom is fully separated from the main living area with sliding soundproof doors. The bed itself uses Rolls-Royce's proprietary suspension technology, designed to counteract vibrations and road movement so you quite literally float in your sleep. There are built-in aromatherapy diffusers, a biometric sleep monitor, and silk-lined bedding from a boutique atelier in Paris. Luxury doesn't even begin to cover it. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just a pretty face. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a fully electric drivetrain, dual motors producing over 800 horsepower combined. Despite its massive size, it can glide from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds. Range: around 500 miles on a single charge thanks to a solid-state battery pack that Rolls-Royce co-developed with BMW and Samsung. There's also solar panel integration across the roof that powers the interior systems independently, so you can stay off-grid longer without tapping into your drive power. It also includes an AI-driven co-pilot system, not just for navigation, but for active route planning, weather prediction, obstacle detection, and even intelligent interior climate management based on who's in the vehicle and what time of day it is. And yes, there's a chauffeur mode. If you don't want to drive, a trained Rolls-Royce concierge can be assigned to your motorhome for multi-day trips, handling all driving, parking, charging, and logistics. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. This motorhome starts at around $3.2 million, and that's just the base model. With bespoke options, custom finishes, and ultra-exclusive packages, you could easily push it well past $5 million. But then again, this isn't for the average luxury buyer. This is for heads of state, royalty, and billionaires who want a private jet experience on the ground, but without the noise, the airports, or the compromises. Rolls-Royce has always said their goal is to not simply build cars, but to create moving works of art. With the 2026 Motorhome, they've redefined not just what a car can be, but what a home can be. A space that moves with you, thinks with you, and provides peace, privacy, and opulence on a level no one else has even dared to imagine. So what do you think? Is this the future of luxury travel? Would you want to live full-time in something like this, or does the Rolls-Royce Motorhome cross a line from elegance into excess? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your ultimate motorhome would look like. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and if you're not subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. We've got more insane luxury vehicles and next-level innovations coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.